welcome can campers to our first snowstorm camping. Got the truck. We're just gonna go check out some falls that way. Thanks for joining us, and let's go on a little adventure. Hey, sweetie pie.
Here we are at Elbow Falls. It's snowing. Not too cold though. I think it's -1.
Yeah, that just goes to show you how much snow we've got. This much snow has fallen in the last 12 hours.
Yep. Oh, don't touch the tree. That's gonna go on my head.
Oh, that's a good one.
Look at this guy's truck. He must have been here a while. Go check out the river. And I think Sean said there's a suspension bridge or something. We're gonna go check that out.
No clearing it off, no nothing. Just have a seat.
Oh my goodness.
Look, my ass. Oh look, there's your name.
Wow. I made the sign. First things first.
What's that?
Good thing you brought the shovel.
First things first. All right. Order this directly from factory. Out, Sonny. Ooh, look at that. Fancy. I was just like, get it up. There's all the side panels. I'm assuming one of those is the top. It better be. Just hang on to it. Okay. Like, it's gotta have the sides or it's pretty much useless. Is it lit up? Oh, it is lit up. Sweet! This is the first snowfall of the year. This is what it's like camping
Boy, is it a
in
doozy.
Canada in the winter.
Yes. I haven't seen a snow angel in that long. Oh, that's gonna be a big, nice snow angel. Oh my God. Oh, that's a good one. Good job, baby. Keep going, keep going. Am I done? Oh, that's a nice snow angel, baby. That's pretty. Okay, now I dare you to go jump on the picnic table.
And do what? Why do I do this?
Because I dared you? I don't know. Because you're crazy. Oh, good. Now make a snow angel. Make a snow angel. Okay, let's see how it looks. I'll be the judge. No, that's horrible.
The wings suck.
They really suck. Okay, now go sit on that picnic table.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, that's nice. Good job. Yes. Oh, yes. Work it. Work it. Oh, that's good. Yeah, leg up. Yeah. Oh, that's good. Yeah. Perfect. Okay,
I'm cold now.
I give that like a 9 out of 10. That's pretty good. Snow up the boot. I give you extra half a point. That's good. That's good. How the pants working out? Good. You're dry.
They're
Yeah.
good except for when you make me do shit like that.
Oh, look, another picnic table. I dare you to jump over it. Seriously.
Ta-da!
Okay, that deserves like 10 out of 10. That's pretty good.
Okay. This picnic table,
Oh, there's another picnic table. Look at that.
I'm gonna do the jump the legs over first, okay?
Okay.
Ta-da!
Woohoo. You took a bite out of that one. Wow. You're like, any more picnic tables?
I love the Sitka spruce with the Bigfoot,
That is so awesome.
isn't it?
You're so lucky you found your cell phone.
It is blowing.
And it's working. All of a sudden at camp, he's like, I don't know where my cell phone is. And we walk back to here and he's like, oh my God, it's in the snow angel. Crisis averted. Found the cell phone.
Cell phone. We're all good. I blame that on you.
Yeah.
You please do.
Is it all
'cause-
camping videos?
Yes.
Yeah.
Can camp. We're camping all year round. Winter.
right?
Yeah. Are you too?
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Obviously. This is
Look at this.
awesome.
Look at this. She's turned. Yeah.
I don't want to
Where's the
step on
yoga
that.
mat? She's turned a kid's
Oh my
kitchen
goodness.
thing into a real kitchen.
Happy camper. That's so cute.
Isn't that amazing? You got a little oven there, right?
Yeah, oven.
Jack?
Wow.
Well, when I'm off grid, I have an AGM battery that hook up to it.
Perfect. With an inverter. Yeah, that's great.
The XL103 is back to start earning that cash, and you'll stay on until somebody else takes it.
Oh.
That's how hot the fire is.
That's hot.
Ready?
Ready? Go for a walk. That's amazing. That's pretty. Oh, that's nice.
So much
This is so nice and toasty in here. Oh my god. I see plaid. Nope, that's gonna be Sean. Look, I can always find Sean. Just look for the plaid. I hope he's making coffee. Nope, not doing it. Go back sleep. I just stuck the heater in here. Now it's toasty. Holy. That looks good. The truck is frozen. It's all frosty. Oh.
Hello.
Hi.
Frozen solid to it, eh? Excuse me, sir. Can you tell me the way to Tim Hortons?
Oh, he's gonna beat us there.
I just want a coffee. Can I get a large double-double, a large regular, and 2 donuts? You can choose.
Oh, wow. You're not very friendly.
Who's getting our donuts?
Anything else for you?
That's everything, thanks.
No, heavy.